Best Passive Income Business Ideas. Hello, and welcome to our channel Pursuit of Wealth. This channel is your ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth, investing in crypto, informational and educational trends in finance management. If you are someone who wishes to become wealthy and are looking for smart money management options, then we are fortunate to have found each other. Are you fed up with this expensive era? Is your monthly salary never sufficient for you? Don't be concerned, we've got your back. We understand that working a 9-to-5 job is too stressful daily, and in the end, you're left with nothing more than a fixed paycheck, which is never enough. This video will provide you with the best passive income ideas to assist your financial growth. These business concepts will set you free from the shackles of subservience to your boss. They provide greater freedom, flexibility, and profit with less effort. So, stay tuned to find out the best passive income business ideas. Before getting started, first let's understand what exactly a passive income is and how it works. Passive income is any income that isn't active and doesn't require much time and effort. In short, a person doesn't have to be actively involved to generate passive income. It generally refers to making a steady source of revenue without putting in a lot of effort. And the revenue or income keeps coming in for years and years. So, if you want to create a fantasy life where you are financially independent, you should consider making a passive income for yourself. Well, here are some of the best income business ideas that can help start making passive income. Number 1. Sell an ebook. Ebooks were discovered as a source of income in 2009 and 2010. They have gained much popularity since a few years ago. Many people make a good amount of money by writing and selling ebooks. Writing and selling an ebook entirely depends on your skills. It can be short and be cheap too. Although it's not as simple as it sounds, you have to be an expert in the niche you are writing for. The market is full of expert writers. You need to think about the content that will make you stand different from others. You can also use an ebook to drive visitors to other products, such as audio or video courses, additional ebooks, a website, or possibly higher-value seminars, in addition to providing valuable information and value to readers. The only risk of writing an ebook is that success doesn't come overnight. You have to develop people's interests in your writing. To turn it into simpler words, we can say that the ebook technique only works if you have a mechanism to advertise it. More advertisements, more audience, which will ultimately make you more money. So, what's stopping you from selling an ebook? Its publishing cost is so low, and you can let millions of people see your ebook by getting an advantage from apps like Amazon. Number 2. Rental income. Rental property is one of the oldest methods of making passive income. It is practical, yet it needs effort to work out. You need to have money for buying a property and renting it. It's not an easy task. You can't buy a suitable, profit-yielding property without having enough knowledge about it. Similarly, you have to interact with many tenants and find a noble one for renting your property. You can purchase and rent out an apartment or other natural properties. However, being a landlord is a sort of busy job. You can engage property managers to supervise tenants and collect monthly rent. You have to calculate every expenditure before deciding the monthly rent of your property. For instance, if you aim to produce $10,000 in rental cash flow per year and the home has a $2,000 monthly mortgage, plus $300 in taxes and other expenditures, you'll need to charge $3,133 in monthly rent to meet your target. Investing in rental homes has never been easier thanks to the internet. Depending on your aims and interests, there are various ways to invest in rental homes. You may support as a limited partner in significant residential or commercial properties, or you can buy houses and become a landlord. Number 3. Create a blog. The internet has become the most popular way of earning in this modern era. You don't specifically have to be a social personality to make a living online. You can be an amazing blogger with engaging writing skills. It takes time to build a blog, but it will be fruitful. Remember to pick a catchy title for your domain. Stick to the niche you are interested in. A micro niche usually brings more profit in less time than a macro niche. You can earn money by finding the targeted audience and convincing them to visit your website. If they find your blog beneficial, they will spend more time on it. This will eventually make you earn a profit. The ways of passive earning through blogging are developing sponsored content, selling affiliate products, or using Google AdSense. You don't need any design or coding abilities to start a blog. A content management system will allow you to get a blog up and running in no time. You'll have to devote time to developing an SEO marketing plan and creating and promoting content. If you spend time and effort monetizing your blog, your return on investment might be as high as $30,000 per month. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the practice of collaborating with a company to earn a commission on a specific product. This strategy of producing cash is most effective for individuals who have blogs and websites. Website owners, bloggers, or social media influencers use affiliate marketing to promote a third party's product by linking it on their website. Amazon is the most well-known affiliate partner, although eBay, ShareASale, and others are well known. TikTok and Instagram have grown into massive platforms for individuals to market their businesses. As a site owner, you earn a commission when visitors click on your link and purchase from the third-party affiliate program. The fee might be anything from 2 to 7%. However, if you can grow your audience or discover a more lucrative niche, you can make a lot of money. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because you can earn money simply by linking your website or social media account. In reality, if you can't convince people to click on the link and buy something, you won't make any money. If you have just started, you'll need to put in some effort to develop content and increase visitors. You'll need to figure out the best way to draw that audience, which might take a long time. However, there is a drawback that can be risky because once you've used all of that energy, your audience can abandon you in favor of the next big influencer or trend. To avoid that, you have to come up with something unique and provide value to your customers as much as you can. Number 5. Sell stock photos online. Do you ever think about where your favorite blogs and websites get their photos? These are frequently obtained from stock photographic sites. You can also sell your photographs on stock photo websites and make money each time someone buys your photos. And if you're a photographer or love doing photography, you can make money while enjoying it. Selling photography online may help you expand your business, mainly if you can sell the same images several times. For example, you can do so by cooperating with Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Pixel. First, you should have to be accepted by the platform, and then you must license your photographs so that anybody who gets them can use them. After that, the site pays you for each time your photo is used. You'll need pictures that appeal to a particular demographic or depict a specific environment, as well as an understanding of where demand exists. You can photograph landscapes, models, and other subjects, or you could capture real-life occurrences. The ability to expand your efforts is one of the benefits of selling or licensing your images through a platform, primarily if you can supply pictures that will be in demand. As a result, you might sell the same photograph hundreds, thousands, or even millions of times. You may upload hundreds of photographs to a platform like Getty Images and have none of them produce any revenue. Only a few photographs may be responsible for all of your money, so keep uploading photos while you look for that needle in the haystack. Going out and shooting images, processing them, and keeping up with the events can ultimately generate earnings, which entail a significant amount of labor. And motivation might be difficult to maintain, but the next shot could be your lottery ticket, albeit it's unlikely. Number 6. Create an app. Well, in this tech era, everybody has a smartphone, and it's safe to say that you will also have several apps that you use daily. But have you ever come up with a unique app idea? If that's the case, you can also develop an app, or you can hire a programmer to develop your app. After that, you can sell your app at Play Store or App Store. Making an app might be a way to make that initial time investment and then reap the long-term advantages. Your app may be a game that helps mobile users complete a challenging task. Users will download your product when it is made available to the public, and you will make money. An app has a lot of scopes to make money if you can create something that grabs the attention of your audience. You'll need to consider how to generate the most money possible with your application. You can also go for display in-app advertisements or charge clients a nominal fee to download the app. If your app gets popular or receives positive reviews, you'll almost certainly need to add new features to keep it up in the market. The most severe risk here is that you will be squandering your time. If you put little or no money into the business, there is little financial risk. However, successful applications must provide users with a compelling value or experience because of the crowded market. You'll also have to ensure that your app conforms to any privacy requirements to collect data. App's popularity can also be fleeting, which means your income flow could dry up far sooner than you think. Well, there you have it. These are some of the best business ideas to make passive income. As we all know, it's impossible to meet daily life needs with a limited monthly income. The best method to enhance a budget by trading it with your time is to invest in a business that will make you earn passive income. The golden rule of passive income is to continue to deliver excellent customer service. Whether it's authoring the best ebook on your chosen subject or being flexible and fair to people who rent your parking spot, it's all part of the job. Do not consider this a get-rich-quick scheme. For this, you'll need time, effort, and proper knowledge with consistency. Fortunately, once you get going, you'll be able to attain your financial objectives. Passive income can help you achieve your goals, whether you're trying to save money for a special occasion or trying to develop a business empire. That's it for the video. We hope you find this video helpful. Tell us about your favorite passive income idea, and don't forget to ask your questions if you have any in the comments down below. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more amazing content about wealth management and finance-related videos. Success is coming your way. Keep your doors open. See ya till the next time.